Hello everybody, welcome back to my course on how to build a blog with Laravel and Voyager. In the last video we installed Laravel and configured Nginx. I mentioned that we're going to install Voyager in the next video, but I'm going to do a really quick video on how to install and configure VS Code so that you could use Sshfs and edit your files from your local laptop or computer directly on your DigitalOcean droplet. So to do that, you can download and install VS Code. I'll share a link in the description. VS Code is available for almost all of the major operating systems. Download the install script for your operating system, run it, then just follow the instructions on how to install it. Once you have VS Code installed, go to the marketplace and search for Sshfs. I already have the extension installed, but if you don't, just hit the install button. Sshfs is basically going to allow us to work on our remote server, in our case our DigitalOcean droplet, directly from our laptops. Once you have the extension installed, just hit Ctrl Shift and P for Windows or Command Shift and P for Mac and search for Sshfs. Hit enter and then let's create a new configuration. Here I would put just the name as blog. Then we would actually need to do our configuration. For host, we need to specify our server IP address. Let me copy that and paste it here. Then the port is 22, as we didn't change that. The root is actually the document root of our application. In our case, it was home, Sami, then blog. The username that we're using is Sami as well. Then I'm going to specify my private key here. If you don't know the location of your private key, you can use the prompt button and find the file in your file system. If you have a passphrase, make sure to specify it there as well. If not, just hit save. Sure enough, we can now see our new configuration in our Sshfs file system list. So if we right click on the new configuration and then hit connect, sure enough, we are actually able to see our Laravel application. Let's go to our routes web.php file and create a new route just as a test that we can actually write from our VS Code to our server directly. Here I'm going to create a get route for test so that if I visit /test, then I would hit this route. And I'm going to put a small closure here, which would just return or just echo out it works message. Just save that with Ctrl and S or Command and S and go back to your browser and visit /test. Sure enough, we are able to see the it work message, so it means that our configuration was correct. And this is going to be pretty much for this video. It was a really short video. We only configured our VS Code so that we can work on our server directly from our laptops remotely. In the next video, we are going to install Voyager. If you like the series so far, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe for this channel so that you don't miss the next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next.